Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to update Zoom on your PC with Windows. Keeping your Zoom application up to date ensures you have access to the latest features, security patches, and performance improvements. So let's walk through this simple process together. First, you'll need to open your Zoom app on your Windows PC. Once the application launches, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you enter your email address and password correctly to access your account. This step is essential because you need to be signed in to check for any available updates. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the Zoom window. Here, you'll see your profile avatar, which is typically a small circular image or icon representing your account. Click on this profile avatar to reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to your account settings and preferences. From this drop-down menu, look for the option that says Check for Updates and click on it. This action prompts Zoom to connect to its servers and scan for any newer versions of the software that might be available for download. It's a quick process, but depending on your internet connection, it might take a few moments to complete the check. Now, since I'm currently using the most updated version of Zoom, I'll guide you through what happens next if an update is available on your system. If Zoom detects that a newer version exists, you'll see a button or prompt that says Update. Go ahead and click on this Update button to initiate the download process. This is an important step because it starts pulling the latest version of Zoom onto your computer. Once you click Update, the download will begin automatically. You'll likely see a progress bar indicating how much of the update has been downloaded. Depending on the size of the update and your internet speed, this could take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Just be patient and let the download complete without interrupting it. After the download finishes, Zoom will automatically restart to apply the update. This restart is necessary for the new version to be properly installed and configured on your system. During this process, the application will close briefly and then reopen with all the latest improvements and features activated. You don't need to do anything during this automatic restart, just wait for it to complete and you'll be all set. And that's it. You've successfully updated Zoom on your Windows PC, ensuring you're running the most current version with all the latest enhancements. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.